Hello friends. Uh, so, what is Lombok? It is very important interview question. Now, what is what is Lombok? Why we use it? So, Lombok is a library, or you can say dependency, which is used to remove our boilerplate code in our entity or model classes. Simple. I'm repeating again. It is used to remove, or it is used to avoid boilerplate code for entity or model classes. So let's create a Spring Boot project and I will show you how to use this Lombok. So I have already created one project. I just show you how I have created that project. Just Java and select Maven, any version, just like 3.1.1 is stable, any configurations, jar, no matters, you can like put any of name, and here is the main thing. You need to add dependency Lombok. This is a dependency you need to add in your project, and that's it, generate. So I did the same thing, and I have opened into IntelliJ idea, and I did some code as well that will save our time. So you can see, I can show you. So you can see I have created one controller, Lombok controller, and here I have like created two methods, add and get, and I have like put one request mapping for API. You can see here we have main our Lombok code in test model. So you can see uh, right now I'm using like two members like variables name and ID. So in our previous version, what we were doing, we just create generate Saturn getters. So to avoid that Saturn getters, we can do one thing. Either we can go for these, so it's your choice if you wanna create a component or not. So either you can go for setter getter manually, no R construction or all R constructor, or you can use directly data. That's it. At the rate data. So you can see it is coming from Lombok. Okay, it's star. So it is coming from Lombok. Everything is coming from Lombok actually. So I'm just using at the rate data, and now I can show you one service as well. What I did in service. So I'm calling that test model class and putting the reference in list, add list, simple add list, and returning that list for adding model, like for adding that object into a list, and then in get model I'm just directly returning that list, this one. Okay, so here you can see my controller. So right now I'm going to use add, and it will add that object, and then I will use get, so it will directly get. So it's extra line, I don't know why it is here. Okay, so you can see, let's call this from postman, auto and okay. So we have setters and getters, so no need to do auto on anything. Less okay. You can see already I have the same thing. Let's create a separate request. I don't know. Okay, we can use the same request from here. I think it's the same one. Add. Let's call get first. Get. Could not. Okay, I forgot to start the server. So you can see we have two methods, add and get. I'm going to call get, sorry, going to call add or get like first, and then I will show you. Okay, I think now service is started. No, it's still running. here we go. So it is started at 8080 port. Okay. So 8080 API and get. I'm calling. Now you can see it's a blank, no response because right now we don't have anything in our object. So if I use post and get here, so what it will do, it will add this name like Satish Verma and ID1 in the list and then return the same reference, like same object of that test model class. You can see it's added. And if I use get method and send, it should return this value. Now you can see it is returning the value. And okay, so if I'm let's add one more post uh, Jatin 2. So you can see it's added and just return. Let's call get. So you can see I'm getting Jatin. Okay, so now in my test model you can see I have written only data, right? I have avoided like all the boilerplate code, and I can show you. I'm just commenting this data as well, and now just restarting the server. Now you will see it will throw an error because right now we don't have any Saturn getters. I have commented out the data as well. So you can see I'm calling get. Now you can see it's blank. Okay, yeah, because right now we don't have any data. So no matters. Now you can see I'm calling add method. Now you can see not acceptable because we don't have Saturn's getter right now. I can show the error here as well. You can see type not acceptable exception, not acceptable representation. It means the representation is wrong. If I am going to do this again, let me restart. It is restarting and yeah, it restarted. Now I can add, you can see Jatin. Now it's working. So in very simple manner, what is Lombok? Why is it? Lombok is a like dependency which is used to remove our boilerplate code in entity or model classes, or simple you can say in component classes as well. So uh, and you need to say this thing as well. We are using a data annotation, and that's it. Here we go. So this is our loan book. It's very important for the interview questions. That's it for today. And subscribe this channel, and I will come with a more important concept. Okay, thank you so much for your timing. Bye for now.